Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is a session of grade 2 social studies. Today we are going to start the new lesson that is called The World Around Us, Unit 4 and chapter number 1, Globes and Maps. Okay. What you see? This is a globe. Okay, this is the globe is a model of Earth is look like this, and this is a map of Pakistan. What is this? This is a map of Pakistan. Have you seen a globe before? Have you seen it? This is a picture of a globe. This is a picture of a globe. It is the model of the earth. It is a model of earth. It is much smaller in size than the earth. It is small. Earth is very big. Earth is very big, but it is very small. Okay, it is a model. Okay, the globe shows what is on the surface of the earth. The globe is sphere in shape. What is the globe show? Globe show what we have on surface of the earth. What we have, the blue portion shows water, and the green portion identify the land. Okay, and the globe is not in the earth is not exactly round like a ball. It is little bit sphere. Okay, now you already have seen this map of Pakistan before. Okay, this is a map of Pakistan. Can you locate your city on it? A map is a drawing which shows the world or a part of the world surface. What is a map? Map is a drawing which shows the world and a part of the world. And where do we live? This is a map of Pakistan, and how many provinces it has? Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab, KPK. Okay, and Gilgit Baltistan is also a separate territory. Okay. So we live in Sindh, and here in Sindh we live in Karachi, and it's near the water, sea. Okay. Now, the surface of the earth is covered by land and water. Just see this. So, or just see this. This is a world map. Okay. So the surface of the earth is covered with water. This is water, and this is land. The colorful pieces, they show you it's a land. Okay, the largest land area are called continents, and the large area, what they are called? Continents. Do you remember the continent? How many continents do we have? We have 7 continents. How many continents? 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Antarctica. Okay, so how many continents are there? 7 continents. The largest water are called ocean, and these are called the large water areas are called ocean. This is the map of the world showing the oceans and continent. This is a world map, and they show you what they show you. They show you continents and ocean in it. Okay. What the Mr. Oily the Owl say? Have you ever seen a picture of yourself? The picture is flat, but you are not flat. This is the same for a map and the earth. Okay, the picture is flat, okay, in 2D form, but the world is not in 2D form. Okay, it's 3D form. 3D form means you can see from everywhere. Okay, so how many continents we have? We have 7 continents. And how many oceans we have? We have 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and a Southern Ocean. Or you may say, before that we are going to say Antarctic Ocean. So, but right now we are going to call Southern Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Okay. Now, move on to page number 32. second chapter, the directions. There are 4 directions. How many directions are there? There are 4 directions. What are they? North, south, east, west. Where is north? Always the upper side is called north, the lower side is called south. Okay, always the upper side is called north and the the downside or the lower side is called south. Here on the right hand we have east and on the left hand we have west. Okay, you need to know about direction to find out about the places you have to go to. It's very simple. Look closely at the map of the world. On it you can see 2 important places that will be help you to find other places. They are called the North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, whenever you see this picture, okay, you can identify 2 places, North Pole and the South Pole. North is from the top, the upper portion, and the South Pole is the down portion. Okay. Okay, the North Pole is the most northern part of the earth. Northern part of the earth is called North Pole. It is very cold. The North Pole is very cold. The direction north is towards the North Pole. This is the direction of towards the North Pole. The South Pole is the most southern part of the earth. It is opposite to the North Pole. North Pole and South Pole are always opposite to each other. North Pole is the top part of the upper part or top part, and the South Pole is the down one. Imagine you are standing on the earth. You are facing the North Pole. That means that you are facing the north. The south is behind you. The east is on your right and the west is in your left. Okay, very good. Now you can know the 4 directions, what they are. They are north, south, east and west. Okay, how many directions? There are 4 directions, north, south, east and west. Okay, what is this? This is a globe and it is a model of earth. What is globe? Globe is a model of earth, and this is the map of Pakistan, and we live in Sindh province, and in the name of our city is Karachi. This is a picture of world map, and what they have continents and ocean. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. And how many oceans are there? 5 oceans. Okay, here we have the direction. They are telling you about north, south, east or west. Okay, for today till here. Inshallah we continue in the next class. Allah Hafiz.